how-tos.
Hi, my name is Xavier Art. I'm an artist with the Desire Company, and we're going to be discussing some of the spray paints that you want to use for your popcorn coffee table. So the paints that I'm using, as you can see, is the Montana Gold and Montana Black. For starters, the Gold can has a lower spray pressure than the Black, and that's the difference. You want to look at the top of your cans to distinguish what color the paint is, and keep in mind that the color of the can is not the color of the pigment or the spray paint inside. You want to look at the top. The next thing is that you have your caps for your spray paint. These are removable. In my opinion, you want to remove them when you're not spraying to make sure that your lids aren't being pressed down and spraying in areas where they should not be spraying. When applying your lid back on, you want to make sure that the cap opening is not facing towards you, because the last thing you want to do is spray yourself in the eyes or cause harm to yourself. Hold it off to the side, and you might have to give it a nice couple of taps or press down on it a couple of times. Next thing you want to keep in mind is while spraying, you want to make sure you have a really smooth and clean left to right motion. Once you start spraying, you'll see, okay, I went to the right and here's my line. You want to go down just a little bit and then come back to the left. Move back over to the right. There's your line. Come back down just a little bit, come back to the left. As you can slowly work your way down, you'll see, okay, maybe you missed a couple of spots. Instead of coming right up to the spot that you missed, you want to slowly work your way back up to the spot. So that way you have a nice clean coat or coverage, and you won't have a really spotty paint job. So as you work your way down, if you miss a spot, just slowly work your way back up instead of spot treatments, or your design will turn out spotty.